Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to online class of Daud Kamli. I am MD Joynal Abidin, Headmaster of Goalmari Hajjat Abdul Qadir Jilani Rahmatullah Alayhi High School. Good morning all of the students of Goalmari Hajjat Abdul Qadir Jilani Rahmatullah Alayhi High School. I hope that you are very well by the grace of Almighty. I am also quite well by your prayer. I discussed the previous class about sentence, definition of sentence, parts of sentence, and how to make sentence. I shall try to take a class in English second paper of class 10. So we discussed about sentence the previous class. Today I am discussing about kinds of sentence. So today's lesson, kinds of sentence. We know kinds of sentence are formed two ways, according to meaning and according to structure. According to meaning, there are 5 kinds of sentence, such as assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, exclamatory. I hope that you have understood the name of 5 kinds of sentence. So try to learn the name of 5 kinds of sentence. Assertive sentence. Definition of assertive sentence: the sentence which gives statement is called assertive sentence. Assertive sentence other's name is statement sentence. Assertive sentence example: he reads a book. They play football. Meena makes a kite. They play football. Meena makes a kite. Structure of assertive sentence. Assertive sentence, at first use of subject, then verb, at last object. Assertive sentence is two kinds: affirmative and negative. Affirmative sentence, the sentence which expresses affirmative sense is called affirmative sentence. Example: he reads a book. They play cricket. Structure of affirmative sentence: subject plus verb plus object. Negative sentence. Definition of negative sentence: the sentence which expresses the negative sense is called a negative sentence. Example: she does not read a book. They do not play cricket. Structure of negative sentence: subject plus do not, or does not, or did not, or ab plus not plus verb plus others word. I have discussed about assertive sentence and kind of assertive sentence. I hope that you have understood about assertive sentence. We discussed about interrogative sentence. You can ask me about interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, this sentence is a question sentence. Interrogative sentence is a sentence which asks something about is called interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence example: are you a student? What a class do you read in? How are you? I give three sentences. The example of interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence structure. Interrogative sentence is formed two ways. At first use of auxiliary verb and at first use of WS word. At first use of auxiliary verb plus subject plus principal verb plus others word plus note of interrogative mark. Example: are you a student? This sentence use at first of auxiliary verb. Second rule: WS word plus AB plus subject plus principal verb plus object. Suggest at first use of WS word plus do you read it. Next example: how are you? WS word plus auxiliary verb plus subject. This is interrogative sentence and structure of interrogative sentence. I hope that you have understood about the interrogative sentence. Next part: imperative sentence. Definition of imperative sentence: this sentence which expresses order, command, advice, request and forbid is called the imperative sentence. Example of imperative sentence: go to school, always speak the truth, do not run in the sun. Structure: verb plus object, or at first use of always, please, kindly, do not plus verb plus object, or let plus us plus or let us personal object. Imperative sentence: at first use of always speak the truth. At first use of please give me a pen. Kindly give some money. Do not, at first use of do not run in the sun. Let plus personal object, let me go now. This is imperative sentence. I hope that you have understood about imperative sentence. Next part of operative sentence. Operative sentence, the sentence which reveals the desire or prayer is called operative sentence. Example: may you be happy, may Allah bless you. Would that his father is alive now, would that I had the wings of a bird. Structure: subject, no, there is no subject at first use of in this sentence. At first use of may or would plus subject plus verb plus object. At first use of may, the sentence means desire. At first use of would, the sentence means at first use of would, the sentence is now I am discussing about operative. Example of operative sentence: may you be happy, may Allah bless you. Would that his father is alive now, Would that I had the wings of a bird. Structure at first use of may or would plus subject plus verb plus object. You asked me when at first use of may and at first use of would. We know that this sentence means the pair at first use of may. This sentence which means the teaser at first use of would. For example, may you be happy. This sentence means prayer. Would that his father is a leaf long. This sentence is desires. So we know this sentence means prayer at first use of may. This sentence which means desire at first use of would. I am sure that you would have understood the operative sentence. I am discussing about exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence, this sentence which reveals an emotion or strong feelings is called exclamatory sentence. For example, alas, I am undone. Hurrah, we have won the game. How nice the bird is. What a pity it is. Structure at first use of fine, alas, hurrah plus assertive sentence, or what plus article a or an plus adjective plus subject plus verb plus note of exclamation mark, or how plus very, or great plus adjective plus subject plus verb plus note of exclamation mark. Example, how nice the bird is. This sentence at first use of how. Adjective nice, subject bird, bird is. What plus article a plus adjective plus subject plus verb. This is the example of exclamatory sentence. So I hope all of the students have understood about the kinds of sentence. Thank you all. I hope that you will try at the home. Thank you all.